least now, there's a semblance of, ganun pala kung paano depensaan through the lenses of coaches, si Junmar Fajardo. No? And I think, palagi naman natin sinasabi that Meralco is always one big man away from really, going over the hump. And
Right.
we've talked about si Brandon Bates to be that person. Kasi let's talk about ano ba yung before and after, and talagang primary post defender nila during that time was Reynald Hugnatan. So
Yeah.
para ba nung era before this core unit that Meralco has, was it kumbaga, I think it's fair to say that it's a very big upgrade, not necessarily because of talent but in terms of size, yung kay Brandon Bates, that Junmar cannot claim mentally and physically na mas malaki siya at imposing siya. There's someone else na ganon. Do you think, coach, syempre you're looking at perspectives of coaches, do you think that nakakuha na kayo ng blueprint or nakakuha ng blueprint ang ibang teams in terms of really sizing it up? So ibig sabihin pala before, sabi nila small man game na, hindi. Dahil ang PBA is Junmar centric, baka naman mamaya niya napaka malaking commodity na ng isang malaking mama na pwedeng dumipensa kay Junmar Fajardo. What do you think, coach? Is this a blueprint now for the other teams to see? Baka mamaya niyan, pala ginawa na Meralco eh. What do you think, coach?
Well, hindi ko lang game plan ng Meralco, pero sinabi ko nga, hindi naman lahat ng team may Brandon Bates, di ba?
Yan, oo.
Kasi mabilis si Brandon Bates, maliksi, hindi siya mabagal, malakas siya na hindi mabagal, malakas siya na mabilis. Maganda yung quickness niya for a big man, yung niya, agility niya for a big man na nakaka-rebound. Kasi Junmar, yes, kung kasing bagal ka ni Junmar, kung baga ganun yung same style, kaya kanya i-box out, di ba? Pero maliksi siya ang liksi ni Bates.
Nakakauna ba?
Ha?
Nakakauna siya sa pwesto ba? Nakakauna siya sa gano'n?
Nakakauna siya sa bola, nakakauna siya sa pwesto, nakakauna siya sa kabila, takbuhan, di ba? Parang gano'n. Saka bata, di ba? So, constantly gano'n si Bates.
Brandon Bates.
But not everybody naman has a Brandon Bates. Gano'n.
Ito naman.
So, ang hirap natin sabihin na may blueprint tayo. Blueprint ka nga, pero nga yung taga-drawing ng blueprint, wala ka. Which is si Brandon Bates, di ba?
Totoo naman. So kumbaga it's kumbaga maganda rin talaga yung bunot or the draft that landed of course Brandon Bates, because Brandon Bates wasn't really that well known coming out of college. Hindi siya hindi naman siya talaga yung parang blue chip coming from LaSalle but he was really parang ang tingin nga ng lahat sa kanya project. He's a project type but turns out the project has blossomed, and I think katulad din yan yung mga big man ng ng New York Knicks. They're not really top tier, pero turns out dun sa sistema ni Coach Tom Thibodeau talagang nagsa-shine din yung mga defensive big men na nangyayari. Coach, what do you think?
Yeah, that's right. And then Brandon Bates and even Raymond Albasan and their other bigs are willing defenders. Willing defenders sila. Willing role players. Parang kumbaga.
That's right.
But everybody in a team needs their own certain role, diba? And play that role to the hilt, to the best you can. And that's right. May shooter, may screener, may passer, may lahat, So I think Meralco did a great job.